We're talking about this giant packet we're about to receive. So this won't be out of the book, Juliana. More function stuff though. So if we have like f of x equals
AC minus b a.
We need some x's in here. ax minus b a over c b minus x.
X minus x.
Okay?
Over c.
And then we're going to find squared. And then we're going to do f of ax minus b a over cb minus xa. So what does that mean? You plug that whole thing in for each x.
Good, Lantis. I'd rather drink bleach. It's going to take forever.
Come on, man, I'll take this.
You know, I bet it's not, because I bet not much is going to happen since we just made it up. I don't know. Let's see. It's exciting. So, you go a, and then for x,
You type in
I
that
plug in that whole thing. So it's ax minus b a over cb minus xa minus
Oh my gosh.
ba over
CB.
cb minus x.
That whole thing.
That whole thing. ax minus
Those things just cancel out, no?
cb.
Oh yeah, they would. No, it's
Times
Oh,
a.
no, it's a negative.
Oh,
The a's
yeah.
cancel.
It wouldn't cancel.
No, because
It's
You-
a negative, Riley.
You're subtracting. You can't cancel anything.
yeah.
So, oh man.
Do we have to actually multiply all that?
Do CB plus.
You have to get a common denominator.
Yeah.
Rip.
That's you gotta do that TV.
We got it. Well, that's a over 1, so it'd be just a squared x minus b a squared over cb minus xa minus b a.
Yo, what the hell?
And then you need to get another
Wait.
one.
All I did was do a over 1 times that.
Yeah.
So multiply the tops. A times ax is a squared x. A
Come on,
times
guys.
ba is ba squared. Bottom, same thing. We got cb minus a over 1 times both of them. So it's going to be a squared
It's the same
x
thing, just-
minus ba squared over cb minus xa. Common denominator?
Plot negative 1 on the bottom. Right?
Why?
Because that'll make that thingy impossible.
What?
Nah, it's not. You can't cancel anything though because you got subtraction.
You have to multiply it by
Balls.
So we got to get a common denominator. Common denominator would be cb minus xa for this one. The top of that one stays the same. A squared x minus ba squared. That needs to get multiplied by cb minus xa.
Do you want to do that?
No.
CB squared a.
Because I'm guessing this one
It's gonna be 5.
is going to work out a little nicer.
He's like, oh, the answer would be 4. He's like, I see checkmated.
We'll see.
No, it's 5.
You get that? It's just,
Continue. I actually.
you want to feel it?
Continue. Keep going.
Alright, so we got to multiply the top of that by cb minus xa.
You feel it now?
Yeah, it's feeling it now.
cb minus
Feel the
xa.
burn.
Okay, well ba times cb is ab squared c minus
A, B, C.
and then
1, 2,
plus, because it's a negative times a negative, a squared bx.
Bullcrap.
What?
Okay.
You want me to prove it?
No,
You
I'm
simplify it.
kidding.
It's
Yeah, plug it back in.
It's
fine.
Nothing combines.
We've devised
The bottom.
problem ever.
Divide.
One. Common denominator is cb minus xa.
This could have been avoided, Hopkins.
The top.
Isn't it the same thing?
CB squared.
No. You gotta multiply that by c.
Brown,
So cb
Jewish
squared or c squared b squared minus
I tried.
abcx or cdxa, whatever. Minus a squared x plus ba squared.
Nothing.
Nothing adds or goes.
What?
Go on.
Nothing.
Now flip it and multiply.
Flip and multiply.
They
So
can't-
really, what's gonna happen?
It's all going to disappear.
No, you're gonna flip and multiply. So this one's gonna end up upside down over here. The cb minus xa is gonna go away, and your final answer is just gonna be that over that.
Can you factor it out?
Nailed it.
I don't think anything factors out. The
No.
top one,
Look at the first part. Now look at the end.
No, they can factor
A's
on A
factor
at the
out.
top. Oh, there's some A.
oh, an A does factor out.
But it doesn't really do anything.
No, because an A doesn't factor out at the bottom, so it doesn't do anything.
Yeah.
I'm hoping the one in here will work out nicer than the one we just randomly made
Yeah,
up.
because that's a little bit of
But that's the idea.
that's a,
Then you have some. Let's make up another one.
oh gosh, yay.
Give me only X, only variable, the rest just numbers.
2x minus 3.
All right.
Perfect. You picked an
Over
easy
X plus
one.
4. All right. Yeah, that's better.
Yay.
Did you say 1?
Yeah, I think you did.
I think it's just 1, but it's 4.
Is
You already went for
is Y equals
Is 1
3.
does.
Yeah, it shouldn't be.
Negative 11 in the range
Is right.
Okay.
of F.
Yep,
It's
I'm.
basically.
How-
They are definitely not in the range because
Is it
X is on
asking
the
us-
alphabet
Hey.
and Y. Oh wait.
Hey,
Yeah, a negative 11
is
is
it
a
asking if
number.
is there an X value that makes the left side of the equation?
Total different ranges.
Yeah, it's asking, is there an X value
That makes the.
that will make Y equal negative 11?
Well, I know, plug in negative 11 to it.
Look at
No,
negative
because-
11 where?
Well,
To
on
the
the left
F of
side.
X.
Equal everything
Yeah.
to negative.
It's just
Oh,
negative 11
I'm
equals
retarded.
2x minus
That-
3
that-
over
that's
x
the
plus
most
4
smartest thing I've ever
Multiply.
So
seen.
divide by x plus 4.
Multiply.
multiply by x plus 4. Negative 11x minus 44
In
equals
cells,
2x
dividing
minus
multiply,
3.
so-
Yeah, so it's like,
Add 11, so 13x add 3 is negative 41. Divide by
Those
13.
are lovely.
Big number.
No.
Primes.
Why not?
I don't know.
That's a
worse.
number.
Oh yeah.
There's
It's
a
a number.
Yeah.
It's an ugly number, but it's a number.
I was thinking that had it equally negative 11.
Okay, it won't always work
41 negative divided by
Stop.
13.
because
Oh god.
I'll give you one that doesn't work.
16.
G of x equals x squared plus 7 is y equals 3 in the range of that. Blah, blah, blah. Well, so you plug in negative 3 or 3 equals x squared plus 7. You
Oh, you
subtract
can't have the
7.
square root of that
Negative
number.
4 equals x squared. Uh-oh.
Can I have the square root of a negative number?
Doesn't work.
Check out I.
Technically, it's 2
We're not using imaginary numbers.
We're
I'm
not.
not using an imaginary number. The answer would be no. It's not. So that's it. You just plug it in for y, solve for x, see what happens. If, let's say we did this one, and we solved it, and we got like, it was like negative 44, and this was like 11. We got x equals negative 4. Would your answer have been yes?
No.
Why not?
No.
Yes.
Because the X can't equal negative 4.
X can equal negative 4 because it's not in the domain, so your answer would be no. So that's the only, like, you gotta be careful
Wait.
there.
So,
Well, no, what's the right
if
answer?
it's not in the domain, you can't be part of the range?
If the okay, if you're asking is this number in the range, and you plug it in for y and you solve for x, and the x value you get is not in the domain, then the answer is no. You can't get that y value if the x
Yeah.
can't even happen.
If there's nothing at the X value, there can't be a Y value.
Yeah.
Okay, that makes sense.
The rest of these, some of them you might be kind of confused, but like I said, this will challenge your thinking. So if you got simple, like, give me a simple. Here, we'll just go with the 2x
You
minus
say simple.
3. And if I told you to find g of x,
You plug in that.
You plug
For
in.
X.
Plug that.
don't plug in, don't do this.
So it would be 2.
I can see someone going, hey, it's 2 times g of x minus 3.
No.
No.
Just plug in that.
Well,
X.
kind of, but plug that in there. So it's plug that thing into itself, basically.
So you
Isn't
plug
it
in.
just that?
Oh,
Can you just do
it?
Okay.
Oh, it's
You could write it that way, 2 times g of x minus 3, but then you better know, hey, g of x equals 2x minus 3, so really it's 2 times 2x
Yeah, that's
minus
minus
3
3.
minus 3.
So it's
Yeah,
Which
4
would
X
be
minus
4x
6
minus 6
3.
minus 3, which would be 4x minus 9.
Good job.
G of x, but then G of x.
This is why you're the teacher.
Or, I mean, there's all kinds of crazy ones with like or
Wait,
like,
is that the answer
it'll be,
though?
what is the absolute value of g of 1?
Absolute value G times 1.
Well, really, you just do g of 1,
Yeah.
which is
And see a negative on.
2 times 1 minus 3,
Which is just 2 minus
which is
3.
negative 1. The absolute value of negative 1 is 1. That's it. So don't get all, I mean, I'll help you through if you need some help. This will take more than one day. I don't expect you to do this in 20 minutes, because there's a lot of stuff here.
Try me.
What would you do if somebody did?
20 minutes?
And got every exercise.
I'd be impressed, because I don't even know if I could do it in 20 minutes.
Between now.
I'm pretty fast. Considering myself, like the calculation part, I can just go. So,
Facts only, facts.
here you go if you want to do your homework at home.
It's not recording, is it?
Yeah, there's page 1 right there. Pause it.
Go, Juliana.
Pause it and do page
We miss
1.
you. Do you have to zoom it in?
Whoops, there's page 2. Pause it. Pause it.
Like, we're not gonna do any of this.
Yeah, there we're going to be like 1. There's page 3. Finger in the way.
Oh, there were videos?
Yeah.
I don't know, I wouldn't know.
And then there's the back page.
I could have totally stuck that if this was a pencil.
Whoop, 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 whoop. Whoop. There we go. Enjoy. We're going to be doing this for like the next 3 days. Or 2. What day is it? Tuesday? Wednesday? Thursday. We'll be done Thursday.